South Goa Advocates Association protested outside the trial court in Margao. The lawyers have vowed not to enter due to its dilapidated condition, fearing a threat to life. The lawyers voiced their frustration, stating that court buildings in the state have been neglected. Minister of Law and Judiciary Nilesh Cabral stated that the judge suggested to the executive engineer that to keep records intact, NOC has to be given for putting tarpaulin. The records ought to be preserved, said Cabral.
He was called by the association, and it has been resolved that we will not enter the court building, not for any other reason, but the building is not safe. If you see the condition of the building, some days back a tile fell on a lawyer, a couple of days back litigants have fallen down, slipped and fallen down because the corridors are flooded. The chambers of the judges are getting flooded, the courtrooms are leaking, there are records in the courtroom which are getting damaged. So this stepmotherly treatment by the government cannot continue as against the lawyers. If you see, the court buildings have always been neglected. The Mercedes building is under construction for the last I don't know how many years. It has been exposed. They have stopped the construction because the government is not releasing funds to the contractor. You go to the new trial court building which is being constructed. That the construction, the foundation has been done and stopped for the last more than 3 years. The building property was approved 10 years back. The land has been acquired. Construction has stopped. The building has been approved with only 18 car space. So this is stepmotherly treatment deliberately done by the government. So unless these steps are taken, we stop, and we are not entering for any other reason, only because it is not safe. So I think the government should take serious note about the condition of the building for the safety not only of the lawyers. We are doing this for the safety of the judicial officers, the lawyers, the litigants, as well as the staff. And I think things should be taken seriously by the government when it comes to the judiciary.
एक कुठे सरकार म्हणता की आम्ही स्मार्ट सिटी सारखे तर या व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट हाडया NIT IIT हे हाडपाचे प्रयत्न आसा आनी दुसरे वटेन जी ज्युडिशरी आसा ही सामकी सकल उडोवपाक सोदता अशें दिसना तुका ह्या कोर्टा वयल्यान?
It is not only in this court, it is all the courts as I pointed out. Even the Benjamin, the trial court, the work has stopped. The High Court, it was only after the High Court passed some orders against the government that the construction has continued and they've completed the construction. And I told you the trial court had not even, and it's not only this court, you go to the Kepen court, you go to the Sangye court, the condition of the courts are really pitiable. And because the budget allotment also for the judiciary is very low. So it looks like that the government is not interested in supporting the judiciary.
What is going to be this? Will have taken a one day, what about the future course?
In fact, today is the first day we have started it. We'll have a meeting. I think the committee will decide in the evening as to what is going to be the next step forward.
They actually judgean आमको कोणे तरी एडवाइस केलो आणि जजान परमिशन मागले PWD कडे ते घालपाक आणि आमचे PWD ने NOC दिले. आता हांव सगळें चेंज करता सिस्टम. हांव लॉ मिनिस्टर हांवें एक्सपेंडिचर सँक्शन दिलो ताका करपाक कित्याक जजान सांगलें म्हणून. आता ते कितें जाता तेय घालून ते सोल्युशन जायना. आमी करता हांव करून घेता मातशे जे लिकेज जाता म्हाकाय खबर आसा. लास्ट टायम आमी तेंचे पॅनल आसा पळय तांकां मेवले हांगा आमच्या दुसऱ्या कोर्टान आनी हांवें तांकां प्रॉमीस केल्लें. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली तेन्नाच्यान पावस जर चालू आसता कित्याक खंय जर रिपेर करपाक जाय कोण मनीस वयर चडचो ना आतां पावसान. सो हांवें ताका रिक्वेस्ट केला की म्हाका टायम दिवचो. हांव सगळे ते राफ्टर काडून नडे काडून हेच दवरता कितें दवरता टायल्स दवरता म्हणजे मँगलोर टायल्स दवरता पूण ताका दुसरे भाशेन राफ्टर करता स्टिलाचे राफ्टर घालून करता लाकडाचे कितें कसो मेळटा. इवन ते पयलीं काम केल्लें हेजें म्हाका दिसता 5 वर्सां 4 वर्सां पयलीं केल्लें आनी ते सगळें हें जालां. सो वी वील यूज न्यू हायकोर्टान देखून आतां ओल्ड हायकोर्ट आशिल्लो पणजे हांवें इन्स्पेक्शन केल्लें थंय देखून ताका बिल्डिंगाचे भितर ते राफ्टर आतां काडटा आमी लोखणाचे फ्लॅट बार नाजाल्यार आमी बॉक्स घालता आनी वील फायंड अ परमनंट सोल्युशन.
What about the records, the safety of records?
Records, see, I don't want to get myself involved in the records. As the judge suggested to the executive engineer, Mr. Elvis, that to keep the records intact, you have to give the NOC for putting tarpaulin. So the Elvis executive engineer gave them this. Now, I don't want to comment on that. Records have to be preserved. I will come myself again. Today I've got a cabinet, so I will come myself again and I will meet the judge and all the concerned people and I will sort out that issue. Yeah, thank you.
Aditya Bidre for Herald TV.